my name is Ellen Thompson. I'm a registered dietitian at CHI Health. Today we're going to chat about avocados. A medium-sized avocado has about 250 calories and 4 grams of monounsaturated fat. Monounsaturated fats are really helpful for heart health. They decrease bad cholesterol, that LDL cholesterol, and they can help improve inflammation in the body. Avocados can be used in many types of dishes. They can add creaminess to a smoothie or homemade ice cream. You can throw them into a wrap, burrito bowl, stir fry, everything. They go with a lot of things. So when you're cutting an avocado, what you want to do is carefully hold it because they are round, so they might roll a little bit. You want to be careful. And then we're going to cut and roll it around on the cutting board here. So once you've cut it, you can twist it apart, and then you can see that pit there in the center. You want to keep that if you're not going to eat the whole avocado at one time. Sprinkle a little bit of lime or lemon juice, wrap it up and keep it in the fridge. It should keep okay for about a day, and that juice is going to help preserve it from browning on the inside.